Hi, welcome back to my channel. I do this review of the makeup that I ordered, and then it just came back last week from Juvia's place. I never tried the eyeshadows or the makeup. I wanted to try it this time, and we're gonna see if it works. I look on the website and they had so much stuff and really pretty good reviews, and I wanted to try them. So I tried my favorite looks. I want to try one of my favorite looks for with pink, and I got this lip gloss that it got my attention. It's Juvia's place, and it looks pinkish with like neutral colors. I like this color because it has pinkish with reddish pink on it. I love those. This color, it's nice. I wanted to do eye looks and start with strawberry colors, reddish pinkish colors. So we're gonna try this lip gloss. I haven't tried it. I wanted to try it with you guys, and we're gonna see if this works. How it's looking. I wanted to try it. I like to do this before I put some on my lip. So we're gonna rub some here. So you guys can see how it looks like. Acetone pink. I wanted to do put it here and then add some. I recommend this one if you want a lip gloss that smells good, that it has a color to it, and you want something that add gloss so your lips can become fuller. Then I do recommend this one. I got surprised. I thought it was gonna be like a gloss, but it just comes with colors too. So as we open this, they have this one. Okay. So like that. And for this say pinkish tone. So I think we're gonna use the red one because it's the last one that I haven't used. And I'm talking slowly because I have my daughter that she's sleeping right now, and she wakes up for his third medium. So we're gonna try, and I don't know where I left my beer, so I'm gonna use just to show you guys in demonstration. What do you guys think about the eye? I feel like it's pigmented and with a little bit of glitter. I can also say that with a little bit that you put, it stays in the place that you want it to put. Like when I do it like a crease on the crease. I love this color. I feel like the ones that I show you guys, it did work. I don't know if I recommend you guys, if you guys want it to be like a more stunning, more reddish, a lot, you just like keep on doing like that, so it adds more texture. And the same on the other side. So we're gonna be using this one, the last one. I don't know if you guys can see that it does show the vibrance, and it does have pigmented. There's like a pink dark red, pinkish red tone colors, and I was impressed mostly with the lip gloss, to be honest, because I thought it was gonna be just like a gloss. It was not gonna have a color, and it did have a color, and it also smells strawberry. So if you guys are into fragrance, then I do recommend this lip gloss. I'm gonna link below the link so you guys can go and check it out. I don't know, if every time I am interested like in a product or something, I like to see if they put it on the description, because sometimes it's for me hard to look for it. I got it on the Juvia's Place website, and you guys should go and check it out. You guys will regret it. To be honest, I was really surprised how pigmented the colors fit together so well. So I recommend it. Go and try it. You guys will regret it. And see you guys in the next video.